Hello everyone, welcome to Science Plus TV. Again my channel has come up to you with another topic, a very important topic. In fact, it is really important for exam point of view, because in every kind of competitive examinations you get the topic, you get one or two questions always on the topic resonance. Okay, so we will try to understand. Students, see, we know that in case of the structures of compounds, we have the distribution of electrons. Sometimes the distribution of electrons over different atoms cannot be explained by a single structure. Okay, in that case, we need to make two or more hypothetical. Hypothetical means which do not exist actually. So those are hypothetical structures which will help to explain all the properties of that particular compound. Okay, so first of all we will just look at this example, sulfur dioxide, SO2. Here you can see the sulfur is bound by two oxygen atoms. Now one of the oxygen atom is having a double bond with sulfur and another is having a single bond. There is a positive charge on the sulfur atom, while there is a negative charge on one of the oxygen atoms where electron density is more. Now because here we have a negative charge cloud and at the sulfur we have the positive charge cloud, so there is a probability of the electrons to get attracted towards this position. Okay, so as I have shown this with arrow, these electrons will shift to this position. Okay, and oxygen will be left with only 4 electrons, and here there will be a double bond. In turn, these electrons where we have a double bond, these electrons will shift to the other oxygen and the structure will become like this. So this negative charge can keep on shifting over these two oxygen atoms. So finally the structure will become like this, something like this. This will be an in-between structure because the negative charge is getting spread over both these places. So we will be finding this structure to be like this. Partial negative here and partial negative here. Okay, so that is the hybrid structure. Now this hybrid structure is able to explain all the properties, because this is explaining to you that the partial negative charge is existing on this oxygen while rest of the negative charge is existing here. Means the electron cloud is spread over these two oxygen atoms. These two structures are called as the canonical structures, canonical forms. Okay. These will be contributing towards the stability of sulfur dioxide molecule. We have some other examples also to explain this situation. Again, here in HNO3, nitric acid molecule, we have nitrogen atom bound with 3 oxygen atoms, where one of the oxygen atom is permanently bound with the hydrogen. Here there nothing can be possible because there is no separation of positive and negative charges. But here, as you can see, there is a separation of positive and negative charges. Okay, here on the nitrogen we have a positive cloud, so electrons can be transferred from here to this position. In turn, these electrons will go to this oxygen. Okay, and hence this electron cloud will be spread over these two oxygen atoms. Both these oxygen atoms will be partially negative. Now one of our favorite compounds called as benzene. Okay, in this case also we have 3 double bonds. The electron cloud, these two structures are not able to explain the properties of benzene. So these are only the resonating structures, these are only the canonical forms which are trying to explain the properties. But we know that this cloud is spread over the benzene ring, over means on the upper side and on the lower side. The electron cloud is spread equally. So this is the hybrid structure which is able to explain all the properties, and these two are the resonating structures. So in all, again we can conclude that what is resonance? You see, what we have seen in these three structures, we have seen that the electrons are distributed over the complete molecule, right? And this distribution can be shown by different structures. These structures are canonical forms, while the one which is explaining all the properties is known as the hybrid structure. Okay, this kind of resonance can be seen in such kind of electronic systems where we can find out the separation of the positive and negative charges. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you must have understood the topic in a very short form. Next time I will definitely come up with some more examples and some more informations on these topics. So stay connected. Just do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.